and try to remove the battery from soft dock.
Copy, it worked. All right, Goose, this is where I'm in a current position. That's good.
Christina Cook having a little bit of trouble with one of the two bolts that's holding the old battery charge discharge unit in place. Not seeing the status indicator that would tell us that it is unlocked after she has released the bolt.
All right, excellent. Nice work.
But that call from Cook letting us know that the status indicator was wrong and they have been able to pull it out.
Meanwhile, Stephanie, I've got a very good view of the receptacle of the BCDU that Christina just removed. I see that those fins on the receptacle side are all good. I can also see the vectors. There is no FOD.